Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the regular cross or make a crossing in a match of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for you new into this game or for beginner that need some tips about this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping the play button, and there are some features here. Tap the live events and tap the kick off feature here. So tap the regular cross. As you can see, this is the video or the example how you can make a regular cross. Like you can tap and doing some flick up to a pass button, or this is a flick up, the first way, and the second way is this: pass into the space and the player will automatically going to the ball. So this is very easy. You can practice more and more in actual match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.